Auzubillahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Kashif. I live in Islamabad, Pakistan. Today I want to give you another good message which will be very beneficial and good for your health as well as the next life, the Akhirat life, which is forever, and this life too. So my message is I have used my message today is about internet. Internet it is widely used in the whole world right now, and I have also used internet so much in my whole life, but my conclusion, the result is that internet is not good for good health. Internet has many bad websites such as porn websites, nude websites, dating websites, which is haram and forbidden in Islam. Only nikah is halal in Islam for fulfilling our desires, sexual desires, for fulfilling our sexual desires in a legal way, in a halal way. But due to internet, there are lots of porn websites out there, lots of dating websites, and due to those bad websites, all the Muslims or any other people, they watch them and then they masturbate or do sex illegally in a haram way, which is not allowed in Islam. And so they destroy their health, they destroy their money, they destroy everything. And in the next world, there will be lots of torment and azab given due to these bad habits. So it is time to recover now. It is my message to the whole Muslim Ummah around the world, wherever they are, that they should not use internet, or if they use it in a proper way. We can also use it for good purposes like Dawat Tabligh, reading Quran, listening to Quran, and there are lots of Quran listening, Quran reciters on YouTube.com as well, and you can also search in Google. There are also very good websites, but on YouTube there are good Quran reciters from all around the world, especially Saudi Arabia, and there are also Maulana Tariq Jamil videos on YouTube. You can also watch them, which are very good for this world as well as the next world, the Akhirat, which is forever. And please delete all the music, all the movies, all the porn in your mobiles, in your laptops, in your computers, and promise Allah and yourself and your family that you will never watch it again, because it is a very big sin. I have also deleted all the movies in my YouTube channel, and then I deleted all the movies and songs from my mobile phone too. And I also promise Allah right now that I will never watch movies or songs or any other porn. So please, it is for your benefits. It is also for my benefits. It is for your benefits that you stop watching it. And the another big disadvantage of internet is that Shaitan, the devil, he sends whispers. Whispers means waswasas. He sends waswasas into your heart through this internet. And those whispers are not good for us. They destroy us completely. There are two types of Satans which is described in the Quran. The Satan can be a human, the Satan can be a jinn. And they both send waswasas to our heart. For that, you should read Masnoon Askar, in which there are 3 Kul Sharif, Kul Hu Allahu Ahad, Kul A'udhu Birabbil Falaq, and Kul A'udhu Birabbin Nas 3 times a day. 3 times after Fajr and 3 times each after Maghrib prayer. So today my message was about internet. I don't say that completely stop using internet. Use it, but in a proper way, in a halal way. And there are also very bad websites. Don't go to these websites. Okay, brothers and sisters, please remember me in your prayers and be aware of the tricks of the Satan. Be aware of the tricks of the Shaitan, which is our biggest enemy. And he doesn't want us to go to the heaven. He wants us to go to the hell forever. And there will be lots of torment and azab in the qabr as well as in the akhirat. For those who believe in Shaitan, for those who obey Shaitan, for those who worship Shaitan, that is the devil. And please remember me in your prayers. It comes in the Surah Yasin. I also want to tell you that it comes in the Surah Yasin. Do not worship Satan, but worship Allah. That is your creator. And he has the right to be worshipped. No other human being or jinn or anything else. No other human being or jinn or the Satan itself cannot be worshipped, because Allah is the one who created us. And inshallah, we all, when we obey, when we obey Allah and His Messenger Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we all will go to Jannah, and inshallah the highest rank, Jannatul Firdaus. And thank you so much. Please pray 5 times a day. Read at least 1 Sipara Quran every day, whether it is Ramadan or whether it is not Ramadan. And read Masnoon Askars. Masnoon Askars means the supplications for the morning and the evening, which are present in the Hadith as well as the Quran. It will give you lots of benefits in the both worlds, this world and the next world. And that world is forever. That will never finish. So it depends on you right now, whether you want to go to Jannah, the paradise, or whether you want to go to hell, dozakh. Okay, brothers, take care. Please remember me in your prayers. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Kashif Marwat. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.